with your lip. Deb catch you with a right hook. She can be pretty protective with the remote.
I had a little workshop accident this morning.
Doesn't look like it happened this morning. Cut's already closing up.
Did I say I meant yesterday morning? I've been working too hard.
Definitely wounded this guy.
Good. I hope I broke his fucking nose. Or at least gave him a fat lip.
Angel, have you ever met Deb's boyfriend, Rudy Cooper?
Yeah. I went by his office a couple of days ago. Nice guy. What?
Dispatch, this is Dexter Morgan. I need you to raise Officer Deborah Morgan on her radio.
Sorry, sir. She's been out of range for the last half hour.
I'm here at work and you're not. I need to talk to you. Do not see Rudy until you find me. Call me when you get this.